Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I just received out many of the wishes onto my birthday from my LinkedIn and from my YouTube family as well. So very first thing is thank you so much for all of your wishes that you had given me. Secondly, there were many people whom I have replied with a reply, and some of you were left. I'm so sorry for that. So, as a giveaway, on the behalf of my birthday return gift, as a giveaway for you all, I have planned out this giveaway. So, in that case, I'm offering my Udemy, one of my Udemy courses that is Master in Python Programming Zero to Hero at a free of cost for you all, and that's a giveaway from my side on behalf of my birthday return gift. So do avail out this offer. So this particular Master in Python Programming Zero to Hero course takes you from the basics of Python up to the advanced level of Python. It covers upon all of the topics, and even it has some projects included and some hands-on as well. So do avail out this offer, and it is only and only valid up till 14th of September. So do register in that, and the link for the same is mentioned in the description box. Once again, thank you so much for all of the things which you do. So